Hi, this is Adam Schilling, and the tool I've selected for this project is called Pixton.com. It allows you to create comics for all kinds of different scenarios, education, work, social, different situations, and lesson plans. It works for both corporate environments and educators, students, and then also if you just want to, have a little bit of fun making some comics. For educators, it'll let you do all kinds of storyboarding, comics on all different kinds of topics. These are some of the schools that are currently using Pixton Comics. It'll help you make your lesson plans more engaging, make writing fun. You can use it as an assessment tool. It can be used for American literature, history, computers, special needs, science, all kinds of templates, and pre-made comics are available as well. For the login, you can either create a standard login or you can log in using Facebook, Google, Edmodo, which a lot of educational institutions use, or Office 365. And once you log in, it'll let you add people to your groups. Either you can send them emails or links, whether these be students or other teaching collaborators. So to create the comics, we would go to My Comics, and you can do Create a Comic Now. And then it gives you some basic templates, but it also has a search, so you can search for other templates if you wanted. So if we did History and Social Studies, it'll give us a list of lots of different pre-made comics that can be used in lesson plans. American Revolution, various court cases, fun facts about Massachusetts. So if you keep going down, at the very end, you also have the option to create a comic from scratch. Now, if you choose to create a comic from scratch, you have the option of doing a comic strip. You could also storyboard it, graphic novels, mind maps, which are great for brainstorming, character maps so that you can flesh out the different attributes of your characters, plot diagrams, which is like a character map, but for your plot. You can do a story just for a single photo. You can create posters, or you can use it to make timelines. So if we do a comic strip, we can do a basic comic strip to start. So then you would choose a background. So let's choose a blank background. We'll just set this very sterile, and then it'll ask us how many characters we want. So let's do one character, and let's do this little guy here, and it will begin loading. So then here we can enter our title. And so we'll do test comic strip. So he looks a little confused. He's like, why am I here? So we can say, let's change this to Hello World. So then if we click on this little guy, let's change what he's doing. So here we can change his facial expression. So let's make him, let's see, we can do a search for an excited facial expression. So let's make him excited. So now he's excited. Let's change what he's doing here. You have all kinds of different actions that he could be doing, and you can also, again, search by keywords. So let's have him wave. So now he can wave. So if we go here, we should be able to move him up a little bit. And then, if you're happy with that particular strip, you can also have actions to change the backgrounds if you so choose. You add another strip by hitting the plus. And now you see his facial expression has changed again. So let's go back and let's make him excited once again. And then we can say, I'm happy to be here. So let's change this body stance again to, let's see if there is a thumbs up option. There we go. And then, once you're satisfied with your comic strip, you can hit save and continue. And then you'd want to publish it. So you can also rename it here, change the language. You can allow others to remix the comic if you're using it as a lesson plan and you want your students to be able to go in and change it to answer a question or a scenario that you're using in your lesson plan. So we'll hit save and continue, and now it's publishable. You can share it on Twitter, through email, you can embed it on websites, you can print it out, download it, buy it on a t-shirt even. So I hope that you have a little bit better understanding of how the tool works in this brief introduction to it, and I hope you have a wonderful day.